to shoe storage.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And we are back doing another dorm room makeover today.
Last one.
Today we are doing Ray's room. She is a second-year education studies student.
She's on the rugby team.
And she loves all things 70s.
Let's get started and say goodbye to Ray.
All right, we will see you later. Have a good day.
Bye. Enjoy the library as much as you can.
Bye. Okay, so we talked to her already and we kind of have a sense of what she wants, but we know 70s, and she really sounds like homey and warm and cheery.
Yes.
So when I think of that, I immediately think yellow, mustard yellow, warm yellow. So we're gonna do lots of that. Starting with the bed, we have this, which I'm loving.
Which, like, high yellow.
I know, she already has yellow going on, which this is great. Duvet cover, really gonna brighten up the space. And we wanna do an awesome DIY. We are in wall tapestry above her bed, kind of like headboard style, out of some yellows and some whites, so I can get to DIYing that. You wanna do a little bed makeover?
I will make the bed.
For the tapestry, I'm cutting long pieces of white and yellow yarn and then tying them around a dowel. I'm making a yarn feather by knotting smaller pieces of yarn horizontally on one long piece of yarn tied with a loop on top. Once the vertical string was full, I trimmed the yarn into a feather shape and then tied that onto the dowel as well.
So since she is on the rugby team and they have lots of games together and lots of practice, she does have some friends stay over that are a part of her team, which is why she has some pillows and bedding under here. I think we need to put this in a basket because I don't really love that it's just hanging out under here. And she said that they sometimes sleep on her floor. So we decided to put together a sleepover kit. So we got her an air mattress here. It's gonna come with a pump. We have some extra bedding and we can put her pillows in here.
I feel like an air traffic controller.
You are! So over here, because we have this big blank wall, it needs a little something something on it. So a really good way to add some spice and color to your dorm room is using a removable sticky vinyl. We have a couple rolls of it. I think we're gonna do like some stripes and we're gonna get these up on the wall and it'll just like really break up this wall and like...
It's like a giant piece of art on your wall.
And like if you can't paint your walls, I think this is like the next best thing.
True. Okay, the best thing I've done ever. You did it. So another thing she expressed is that she likes to cook a lot or make food in her room, but since it's a small room, there's not a lot of space to do that. All she has is this short little mini fridge. So we thought
we would make her a kitchen area. She does have like her cups and like kettles scattered around, but I don't know about you guys, but I'm all about the organization. I like to have everything in one spot, together, organized. So that's what we're gonna do for her. We're gonna make her a whole kitchen area where if she wants to cook or make something, it's gonna be like all right here.
So we have a custom mini fridge cover that we painted in this like beautiful 70s blue. It's gonna sit on top and then we'll store all our kitchen stuff. We got this little dish rack here that can sit underneath. A dish rack is a great way to store your dishes, whether they're drying or they're already dry.
Another problem that Ray mentioned she has is a lack of shoe storage and a lack of towel storage. As you can see, she uses her door as her towel rack. So we found some easy solutions for those. Ray also mentioned that her dorm room sometimes smells a little bit more like a locker room since she is on the rugby team and she plays pretty much every single day of the week. So we decided to add some scent beads to a little cloth dollar store bag to spice up or unspice up her shoes. And we're also adding some reed diffusers to the space since these are a good flameless alternative to your standard candle, which usually aren't allowed in dorm rooms.
It's looking really, really good.
We solved some problems.
It actually smells delicious in here, like apple pie.
And now we need to do some final touches.
It's the final touchdown.
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Look at that rainbow.
Wait, for real?
What? It's such a moment. Wow.
This is like, I'm living. The color scheme is like doing things to me. I want to be transported back like 50 years, 40 years.
Math. Play the Fleetwood Mac. I am ready.
Okay, let's bring her in.
All right. Hey.
Hello.
Oh, it smells good.
We're gonna show you your brand new cozy 70s yellow room in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, this is amazing. I love it.
So we gave you a kitchen setup.
You have a kitchen now.
You have a kitchen.
I have a kitchen.
You have a kitchen.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
You have a mirror, which I know you mentioned too.
Yes.
I know you mentioned you had people stay over.
Yeah.
So we gave you a full-on sleepover kit in here,
Including
God,
an air mattress.
You gave it
air
an
mattress.
air mattress. My friends are gonna be so happy.
We got you a shoe rack in there with some DIY shoe air fresheners as well.
My cleats.
And there is some diffuser reeds in here, so that's why it does smell
Yeah, no, I walked in.
pretty
I was
good.
like,
These
oh my God.
smell.
Oh, I love it. Oh, it smells so good.
Aroma.
Best candle alternative.
All right, well, I hope you enjoy.
I love it so much. Thank you guys.
Good luck.
Oh, it's amazing. I'm never leaving my room ever again.
Ah.